Again, Miss Mum's Dad's welcome to Cridler Gaming. Yesterday our brand new Xbox arrived, so we thought we'd have a bit of fun filming it throughout the day. Filmed in the style of the Blair Witch Project, a great horror movie from the late 90s. If you're old enough and don't mind the odd jump scare, it's well worth a watch. So now it's all set up, we're going to give it a go. Here it is. It's great. Again, Miss Mum's Dad's welcome to Cridler Gaming. Today is the 10th of November and the new Xbox should be on its way. We ordered it back on the 22nd of September. Remember, it was 8 in the morning and after about 5 seconds, we're already an hour behind in the queue on our local IT store. I think it was Curry's. Then we went onto the Xbox site and that crashed. And now 1 or 2 clicks on Amazon and we managed to get one pretty much straight away. So it says here, arriving today. So no freebies here, I'm afraid. The Xbox is arriving today and it will replace what we have in at the moment, which is apparently the fastest Xbox at the moment. But we have a console here. And who needs a PS5 when you've got a PS2? Get in there. So fingers crossed, it'll arrive soon. You excited, Hunter? Look at you. You can't wait to play, can you? And there's the day job. Sort all those books out today. While we're waiting, so hurry up, Mr. Delivery Driver. We need to get this unboxed. It's 10:30 now. Still no Xbox. No delivery man out there yet. Hunter is still on the tip of his toes. But at least my book pile is going down, so that's something achieved so far this morning. Go on, Mr. Delivery Man. Just had an email. It said it could be arriving today by 11 PM, so 13 hours, 12 and a half. It left Manchester at 9:30 this morning, so you never know. It might be a chance. I think it's time now for a cup of tea and a game of dragons. What about that then, eh? What about spell break? Just had an update from Amazon, so it should be between 4:30 and 8:30 now, so kids will be back then, so it'll be good fun to watch them open it. We're getting closer now, 6 stops away. It's 20 to 5. I reckon so. According to Amazon, he's 1 stop away. It's a van down the road.
Cridler?
Yes,
That's your parcel set?
yes, just that.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Bye bye.
Bye now. So here is the box. Looks a bit small, first impressions. Although small is good. Well done to Amazon first for bringing it on the day it was supposed to come out. Question is, do we have a controller with it? Because one of ours is a bit broke. Got it. Power your dreams.
Do we have the new game with it?
Got to get them on the shop. It's not like the old CDs. I'll let you do it on this film. 1 terabyte solid state drive there, look. That's what's it? So many teraflops. What? I've never heard of a teraflop before in my life. Now we're in. Although it's getting destroyed. Oh, what have we got there?
Controller. I don't know if we get the controller there.
There should be a controller in here. It'd be a bit mean if you just bought it without a controller.
Yeah, what if it was your first Xbox?
Yeah. There's your Xbox there. Ten hours later. Cool, that's mine.
I'll have to rest.
Quality foam.
Power your dreams.
Definitely powering our dreams. So, the box hasn't seemed to have made it.
No.
Oh,
Oh.
it's tiny. I thought it would be enormous. It is.
Opening Christmas presents.
Oh, interesting. Is that there? Oh,
Mini fridge.
mini fridge.
Oh yeah, of course it didn't turn on.
So let's have a look then. It's cool.
Right at the top.
It's a nice design. It's supposed to have a big sort of space in it to cool it down. So what else have we got then? We need some wires, I'm guessing. Oh yes, box of tricks.
Oh.
We do have a controller. Is it the new? Is it the fancy one or is it the normal one?
Ooh. Feels a lot different. Oh, there's a new button on it as well.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's got a new button.
Hasn't the fancy one got that on?
I don't know why that's got.
Yeah, see.
Oh yeah, it does.
Oh, yeah, this is broken.
Yeah. Grips.
It's a cool controller. So we've got power. Then the
Your
wire to the
power.
telly. Right then, time to plug it in. So it fits neatly there, like just under the TV. So we've got this big Sony TV there. The old Xbox went to the side.
Where is that?
Dead easy to set up, just plug it in and
It's two
pop the HDMI into the appropriate one on the TV. It's HDMI 2 for us, that's the one that gives us the HDR, etc.
And then for the controllers, I'm guessing it's just like normal.
Need to pair it in a sec. The most amateur footage.
Oh, I know why it's not working. It needs batteries.
Well, we can use the other controllers for now.
Yeah.
Pair up my one first. Xbox.
Takes a while.
You know,
Yeah,
looking good.
there's one.
So just connecting the controllers. We have 4.
5 now.
We have 5 now, yes. Although 2 of them are a bit dodgy. So what setup do you think's needed? I need to sign into my account one time. Flashy lights.
Yeah. 3 done. There's
Oh.
one more. Don't know
Oh.
where it's gone.
Oh,
Ooh.
we are loading. Set up with the Xbox app. 1 minute. So I already had the app on my phone. Welcome back, Cridler Gaming. I don't know if I'll... Let's play. Let's get you set up. Okay. Set up the console. Right, so I need to type this in then. The console needs a 775 megabyte update. Okay. Give your console a name. What we're going to call it?
Brenda.
Living room Xbox Spear. That's what it suggests. We're updating. Right. So clever this. You go on your app on your phone and you set your app. You set it up from there. So it's downloading the update now. So I have to wait a little bit. So we have a message. Your console is done updating. Right, I think we're in. So my game's in app. Oh yeah, spell break's on. So this should look the same as the other Xbox, I'm guessing.
Yep, apart from all the games aren't on recent. We're gonna get that new game then.
So I've bought a game especially for the Xbox.
There aren't any games on it. Look at, go to games, there's none.
We have 800 gigabytes because there's nothing installed.
How do we get that stuff?
Installing.
Yeah, manage, you own this.
What apps have we got then? There's no YouTube here, so...
No, yeah. It said YouTube's already owned. Maybe we just have to install it.
Oh wow, the screen. Looks the same pretty much, but
Assassin's Creed.
what is the difference? Can you get like more games on it?
It's better games, 120 frames per second games and stuff.
Apart from Fortnite can't be run 120 FPS there.
It could, but it's very not laggy anymore. Full controller though. I want to get one of those battery packs for it. We have.
Yeah, that's what they're for, new ones.
But which is a controller that you don't need anymore, but for Xbox has gone then.
Yeah.
Ah. Imagine if they did that
All
in
owned
Xbox.
games.
Wait, do they do the new Xbox in?
We found all the
Do
owned
they do the new
games.
Xbox in white as well?
Not gonna bother with Apex because it's
If
too
they-
big.
It's like 30 gigabytes
If they did the new,
update, not
if
even
they did
just
the new-
downloading the game.
not new Xbox, Mum. It's huge. On the bottom. It's a beast of a thing. The inside, I've seen a lot of YouTube.
Watch Dogs is
That's like
uploaded.
something to do with London, isn't it? You know, like
Yeah.
save London, recruit like old grandmas and stuff.
You use the same controls as it come with it, actually.
Okay,
We've got an
new
extra
controller.
one, it's quite neat.
That's pretty neat, that time.
Except it needs batteries though.
Cute.
It's gonna be
Oh, that's like almost 1 kil. It's almost like
a
1
terabyte.
terabyte of get data.
Yeah.
How high does the megabyte second go?
I've seen it up at 70.
Yeah, I
my
saw it
mum's only goes up
72.
to 1.
Well,
Downstairs it's a 1 and 2. It's like...
And you
it
can't
went up to
select that one.
72 just then.
Oh,
73.
73.
78, 81,
Oh,
85,
I
85.
like 85.
Yeah, stay at 80s.
Oh no, it's dropping now. Oh, maybe not. Oh, no, yeah, it's dropping. Oh no.
Still 60 though.
Oh, it's back to 50. It's like steady around 57.
When Spellbreak's done, I'm going to load it and just check it's exactly the same as when I played it
Imagine if we reset
earlier.
everything.
Yeah, back to 0.
Nah.
All your Fortnite skins have gone.
Oh, Rocket League stuff.
Everything's
Just trying to get to
gone.
Rocketeer. No. Level 97 odd.
So here we are then. We're just setting it up now. Fabulous looking thing, so I'm sure we'll have lots of fun. Don't know what to do with the other one now. So we'll get everything uploaded. We're in our full library. We've queued it all up. We've got a decent download, and we're looking forward to play on it. So
Also, there's not so much storage free at the moment.
yeah, we're going to trash this 800 gigabytes free. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!